In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon PIXMA TS3729 all-in-one printer. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove the orange seal and just do it for both ink cartridges. Go to the front section of the printer and push this lock down. Once the cartridges move to this side, we have to push this blue lock down and take the ink cartridge out. So it has a tight space here, so maybe it's a little bit difficult to hold these ink cartridges. Take the new ink cartridge, place color on the color side. Just let it settle in this position and then push this blue lock up. Same with the black. Push it up and lock this door. Wait on the display panel. Once you see 0, no lights flashing, that means we have installed it properly. That's the method to replace the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.